They have the golden key in here.
The golden key? I bet they do.
There it is.
What a beautiful morning it is here
At the Chiefland Farmers Flea Market. Some of you have been asking about us going to the Chiefland Flea Market because you wanted to see what they have here. So here we are this morning with coffee in hand, looking for some good deals. Maybe we'll find some for our log cabin here today.
I hope we do. Let's go check it out.
All right. First greeter of the day.
Hey, buddy, have you seen any good deals in here?
He's not going to tell you.
Give me some good deals.
Where the deals are?
Any good deals? Good deals on fleas?
So cute. He the greeter? He's the greeter.
He's the door greeter.
Hi.
Which way you want to go? Left or right?
Let's go right.
Okay. Morning, how are you?
Morning, sir. How are you?
Good.
Oh, those are pretty. Those are pretty.
Want to go down this way?
Yeah, let's go down this way.
Looks like there's tools. I like tools.
Looks like people are getting a late start today. Some of them aren't even open. That's a big one not open.
Yeah, some of them aren't open. Some of them come later.
Ooh,
I like tools.
Yeah.
Check out tools.
See, look at all the hitches.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got one yesterday.
Yeah, we needed
I
a...
got all kinds of stuff.
I see that.
10 minutes and I'll all be set up.
We'll come back through.
Like 50 cents in this one.
50 cent. 50 cent sale.
Doesn't need to go away.
Get it gone.
Get it gone.
Oh, look at the little duckies. Those are real tiny.
So if there's
See
anything...
the little duckies?
Oh, yeah, look at the little pond there.
They're little.
Are those Jeep duckies?
Dollar duck pond.
You could have a little miniature duck. That's
Ah,
cool.
Yeah.
They get 3 little ducks for $1. They have numbers on the bottom. The numbers score right for
Oh,
the prizes.
That's
Oh, that's
fun.
neat.
Everybody wins.
I love it.
That's neat. Yeah, good idea.
Cute. Those are very popular right now.
Oh,
Those
yeah, the
neck
headphones, neck fans, I know.
fans. Those are needed. Those neck fans.
Oh, look, we got chickens. We got chickens.
Go,
Good
Dom.
morning. How are you, ma'am?
We got chicken, quail, turkey, and guinea.
Wow.
No chickens.
That
And
one.
little eggs. Look at these little eggs.
Oh my goodness. Those are pretty eggs. They're so cute.
Yeah.
This is my single style original.
Oh, there's little kitty kitties.
So one, well, this, that's.
What do you think there, kitty kitties?
That is a chocolate version of sweet butter.
This is the ugly
They're
stage, I guess.
Oh, I got 3 little kitties.
So what's your kitties?
I wish they stayed looking like this.
Right.
They're so cute.
But they're not bad when they get older.
Yeah.
They're with the hand side, you know. And easy to take care of.
Oh, they're so cute.
Yeah.
Little chickadees. Look at that funny chair.
Yeah.
It's a shoe.
You never know what you're going to see at the Chiefland Flea Market.
Oh, would you like a free sample?
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. Free sample.
Oh.
I have free samples of gooey buttercake and a head massage. Where else can you get that?
Oh, man. Man. It's like a double whammy.
Yeah, here, try this. Go ahead and,
Oh, is that toothpick?
yeah.
Oh,
I can't eat anymore.
All
I
right.
just ate so much for breakfast.
And then go ahead and try one of that.
She's wafting the
Oh
smell.
yeah, oh yeah. You gotta get a full version.
And what do you
Smart.
call that? That's
That's
good.
a St. Louis style gooey butter cake.
That's good. Wow.
Yeah, it has all the vanilla in it.
I've
baked
tried those before.
vanilla.
There was a lady I worked with at the post office that made that, and every time she made that, that was like the hit that went first.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
It's yummy. I like that gooey center.
It is so good.
That's my favorite part. Now this that you sampled, it's the edges around the 9x13 pan. But
Yeah.
it's very good.
It's dangerous.
I know, right?
If there's one thing I'll miss about Chiefland, it is fun to come down here and see the different things, and the people are always very friendly.
Yeah. Movies for days. Cats. So far, I haven't seen anything for the cat.
Well, that's when you made that.
Yeah, I like.
Make our way back up to the main front. So a popular booth in here is the actual farmers market part of the
Oh
flea
yeah.
market.
She's got some good produce.
Is it-
There's a lady that's like Betty. She's got all the little things. Woohoo! You got some nice stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look, she makes the bowl koozies too.
Wow, you got quite a variety.
We'll make it all.
Nice.
Very good.
Towel lady.
Watch out, Jason.
Oh, that
She
one
makes
is
similar
beautiful.
stuff to what your mom makes.
Beautiful.
I sew every day.
Good job.
Yeah.
That's right.
Wow.
Wow.
You're the helper? All right.
There you go.
Oh my goodness. We know some people in Alaska, and his mom does the sewing and son does the cutting. They're
all the towels. I do all the cutting. She does all the towels.
I do the quilting.
good teamwork.
We do a whole bunch of quilting.
And sewing is a good skill to have. You got some nice stuff.
Thank you.
I love it. That's good. Well, it's great talking with y'all.
You too.
Have a good day.
You already collected everything. We're still collecting.
Pretty stuff. Hi.
Lots of good deals to be had down here at the Chiefland Flea Market.
Hi. On video, you want video with Fudge shop? I'm not.
What you got in your fudge shop?
Uh-oh.
You got fudge?
I also can make fudge milkshakes.
Oh.
Fudge milkshake.
They're called the Wurzel.
And the best part, you got the air conditioning on in here.
Any fudge that you see, I can make you a milkshake.
Oh, wow.
Ice, water, a mix.
Fudge popsicles.
Yes, they're right over here. I make fudge popsicles.
Oh, goodness.
Wow.
You got key lime, coffee mocha chocolate, peanut butter chocolate, regular peanut butter.
I love this lamp right here.
Thank
It's
you.
cute.
I just opened, so I'm still trying. I just went and found this one. I like this one.
Yeah.
And that one that goes out and everything.
I love that one too.
Very nice.
Thank you. And you know, of course, I say these are my famous turtles.
Oh, look at that.
Those are my favorite kind of turtles. Delicious turtles.
Not-
Very much
Not the
so.
ones on the turtle purgatory.
No, I like the kind you can eat.
Yeah.
Pitched it this morning and it was cool.
Oh my
Wow,
goodness.
look at that.
Thank you so
Oh,
much.
how nice of you.
That's so
Thank you.
sweet.
Thank you. It's just packaged.
Hopefully we get you some
Oh my
business.
goodness.
Thank you.
Yes, definitely try this. I'll let you know how it tastes.
Yes, the
My favorite
caramel
kind of
blends with
turtle.
the chocolate. It doesn't stick to your teeth.
Mm.
It's really
You can
good.
wash it down with the hot coffee.
I'm gonna experiment a turtle smoothie.
So you,
Oh, I bet that would be
I did a
good.
Rocky Road smoothie last weekend, so it's like I can cut that up and do a turtle smoothie.
Yeah. Mm.
Oh yeah.
So this video will probably go up on Monday
Oh, okay.
at 4
thank you.
p.m. So probably hit you next weekend. So hopefully some people come out and support what
Yes,
you're doing
please come
here.
on. Brand new store. I was on Yellow and Blue Isle for a year and a half, and I've just moved up here and opening this. Like I say, haven't got it like where I want it.
There you
It
go.
looks
Come
good
on
so
in.
far. Yeah,
Thank you.
I love it.
And we are Madam Mayor's Adventures on YouTube.
Oh,
So we do travel to travel channel, but you might get a touch of Otter Creek politics, Chiefland politics, Levy County politics.
We throw it all in
We
there.
Yeah.
throw it all in.
Life
there.
is an adventure. So.
yes, that's
Right.
right. The more information you get, though, the better off you are.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. Well, thank you and best of luck to you.
Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Have a wonderful day.
You do the same.
You're gonna have an even better day now.
Hey,
Yeah.
Don't say the review when you use it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we'll do
Thank
that.
you.
You're very welcome. Y'all have a good day.
You
too.
too.
Thank you.
That is pretty. Isn't that pretty?
Oh
Here's the best stand
yeah.
here.
Gabby's Veggies. So this is what everybody comes to the flea market for.
This is good
And
stuff.
she's one of the few booths that are open all week long. The rest of the flea market's open just Friday, Saturday, and Sundays.
And you can get farm fresh eggs here for $3 a dozen.
$3 a dozen. Yeah. Good prices here and fresh produce.
Ooh, look at those cherries.
We're hoping to find something similar to this up in Tennessee, and I'm sure they have it.
I hope so.
They talked about it on a lot of the Facebook groups.
Ooh, little bananas and lychees. Put my little turtle in my purse. Got a guitar.
I like the back row of the flea market because they have all the power tools, lawnmowers, stuff like that. This guy must be out of eggs again. He's always running out of eggs.
Honey.
Sue. Like running the first time.
Honey.
Oh, lots of jewelry here. Look at
Ooh,
this.
look at that car. That's cool. I'm gonna get you this car.
She turns around because of the camera. Wow.
For all the beadwork, I made everything in notification.
Beautiful. I love your rosaries.
They're all $20 your choice.
Beautiful.
Hey, how you doing?
Wow.
Oh, Milwaukee.
Each thread in time.
I like me some Milwaukee tools.
Well, you do good work. Gorgeous. Oh, little shark teeth. You got everything.
All earrings on the rack are
Did you see the car and stuff down there? That's cute.
Oh, yeah.
She got very nice stuff.
Yeah. She's hiding her face again.
Gorgeous. Have a good day.
I could tell she didn't like being filmed, so I tried not to film her.
Some phone cords are the same.
Yep, this is Trump country, so you're going to see a lot of Trump flyers and others.
Fishies.
Ooh, look at the fish.
Those are different.
Yeah.
You got big lips.
Big lips, big fish.
Is that guy back there?
Oh, yeah. Those things get so gnarly, ugly when they're big. There's a smaller one.
He wants to give you a kiss. Look, you're doing his.
They keep the tank clean, though. They eat all the algae. Are you making kissy faces? Or a suck face?
It's a fishy face.
Ooh, they got bunny rabbits. And guinea pigs.
My nephew has one of these.
He's active.
His name is Loki.
Yeah, you want out of there.
Yeah, he
With
does.
any effort, he could get out of there, too. There's a tarantula moving around.
A bird-eating tarantula. Oh
Let
my
him out.
goodness.
He'd have a feast. There's birds all in here.
He is huge.
Yeah, he's a good size. Hey, there he goes.
There's the little baby cicada.
Hey, buddy. Be glad you're
wants
here
to
and not
say
at the
hi to
turtle
you.
purgatory. Hey, what's going on, man?
I think he's mean mugging you.
I think so. You're getting the stink eye.
Look at this guy. He's cool. The chameleon.
Oh, very colorful. But I can see you.
He's pretty big.
Yeah, he's good size. And then they got lots of birds. I'm not much on birds. I mean, I don't mind listening to them and seeing them at a distance, but I'm not a bird guy.
I like birds.
They're messy.
I had parakeets when I was growing up.
Man, these guys are just hopping all over the
They're
place.
so tiny. Look how colorful. We had doves too. These guys are colorful.
Oh, this one's noisy. You got something to say there, buddy? Say it.
If you want to see some cool birds, my friend Casey has a parrot rescue, and she has all kinds of cool birds at her house.
Hey, I think I found Lynette's monkey. Where's Lynette? Did Lynette leave you in here? Did she abandon you? I don't know. I don't think that would be my thing either to have a monkey.
He likes his little animal.
Promote your business.
Those are cool.
These are nice. I like the way they look wavy. Yeah.
Yeah, they're cool. They make special ones if you need it like any other
Okay.
thing. Fireman, whatever.
Those are neat.
There's all these boundaries, these glass up there.
Those are
These
so
anthills,
pretty.
Makes those out of the.
He's talented.
Oh
Yeah, the
yeah.
only thing he doesn't make is the soap. That's the only thing he doesn't make.
That's where he draws the
Pretty
line.
neat.
Yeah, that's where he goes.
No soap. Don't drop the soap.
He makes
Beautiful.
everything. He 3Ds those. He makes
Oh,
those.
that
You put a
is-
picture, whatever you want on there.
Wow.
And I had one with my 3 sons on it. He made me. It's so
Oh
gorgeous.
my goodness.
It came out really good.
That is
That'd be
different.
a pretty one with
That's
Jesus
unique.
in it.
Yeah, well, he did Star Wars, and didn't know how just to show what he can do with it.
Yeah.
But it came out really good.
Yeah, some Jesus ones would look really cool.
Oh, that would be nice too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jesus one. Yeah. That's not a bad idea.
Are you the maker?
Yeah, he's.
Lots of cool furs here. Look at all this. wonder if this is like the Furrambi in Anchorage. These are cowhides. These are cool. I like cows.
Eventually we'll need to get one for the log cabin. I like these backpacks.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. We're gonna go this way. All right. More turtles.
They have some neat stuff here.
Yeah. Look, you can even get your keys made here. Anything keys.
Do you think they have the golden key in here?
The golden key? I bet they do.
Look, they have some old keys up over there.
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, I see it. The golden key.
And who's that guarding it?
The John Wayne.
John Wayne. Look at this tent.
Does that tent look familiar to you at all? This baby stroller?
I don't know.
You've heard a certain someone is down here selling stuff. I wonder if this is the booth. No one here today, though. Locked up. I think this, if I'm a betting man, I'm gonna say this is her booth, because look. There's turtles. And the stroller, and then the baby jail tent. I like to do the back row because that's where all the tools are. Tools are cool, right, guys?
They got cards and Barbies.
Oh, yeah, cards, baseball cards, even some
They got
furniture,
everything over
antiques.
here.
This is a really neat place to look through, but when you have more time to really look through it,
Oddities.
yeah, a lot of old
neat
stuff. Really is neat.
Look at these.
Pew pews. This is the row I like. We need a stackable washer and dryer for our place.
I don't see one of those.
No, I don't see one either. We don't have room to
They
take
got
it
a
back.
bunch of different stuff in there.
A little bit of everything for everybody. All right, so this is the section I like. If you're looking for something tool-wise, they have it in here. And then they do lawnmower repair too, so they have every kind of lawnmower blade.
We had lawnmower
tires.
work done here.
We have had lawnmower work done. We bought a I think it was in a storage unit, or we were gifted a lawnmower for something that we did. I think towed a trailer.
We towed a trailer and
we had it brought here, and he fixed it. And we sold it. Yeah, that was our tip. Lots of tools. Now we did need a secondary hitch, and this is why I was thinking of coming to get it, but we did already find one. So. When we were in Ocala the other day, we bought one off the marketplace for $12. Can't beat that, so we don't have to shop for one here. It's starting to get a few more people in here now, starting to buzz.
yeah, they're getting a late start.
Yeah, a little bit of a late
But
start.
you can get some bread and cake.
Oh, bread and cakes. Didn't even know they had that here. And this is the outside area.
Oh, it's starting to look a little dreary.
Yeah, it is. Might rain.
Not too many people here today outside because of the weather, I'm
Yeah,
sure.
probably the weather forecast. But you can typically get stuff outside a little cheaper at a flea market because these are people trying to get rid of stuff.
But not today.
And inside, it's more vendors, people trying to sell stuff like they're selling for a living.
Yeah. Take it home with you? I don't know what I'm giving to you.
A lot of
Get it out of here, he said.
empty tables.
I've never seen it so empty
I
before,
haven't either. It's usually pretty full out here.
but it's pretty gloomy today. So.
It is gloom and doom.
I know that day we were here, it was jumping. It was packed
Oh,
when we were
so
out here
packed.
selling.
Yeah, we were out here.
It was hot too.
Morning, how are you, ma'am?
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Good.
Good.
It's going to be fun going through flea markets up in Tennessee, I
I
think.
can't wait.
We'll be shopping. We could be shopping for two purposes. We're shopping to keep and shopping to resell. So we always keep an eye
Double
out
the
for
fun,
antiques.
right?
Yeah, double the fun. So this is the front entrance to the Chiefland Flea Market. And we just wanted to show some of the improvements that the new owner, I think he bought it last year or so, has done to the place. So this whole pavilion here is new.
Yeah, he's put in a lot of work, him and his wife.
Yep, and some of the stuff he has sitting out front here for show look really nice. This is
Pretty
all new
cool.
stuff. Yeah, we got a thunderstorm rolling up in here.
And that's why it's pretty empty today.
Yeah, and that's probably, yeah. So we're going to roll up out of here too because we got somewhere else to be, but we wanted to show you the Chiefland Flea Market. How do you like it?
I liked it. We didn't find anything today because we had to roll through so fast, and there's not many vendors here today, but there's a lot of cool stuff. And if y'all are in the neighborhood, come check it out. You can find some great deals.
At the very least, come see Miss Debbie and get some vegetables.
Get yourself a turtle too
There
while
you
you're
go.
here.
That's it.
All right, so here we are. It just started pouring, but we finally found the flags a while ago. One of our viewers said that they had a booth here and they have flags and magnets and hats, and he said that we could have a flag. But when we were here selling, we were so busy we never made it here. So we were walking through and he popped out and introduced himself and said, "Grab your flag." Wow, it is coming down out there.
Welcome to Florida.
Wow. That is bad. So here's another booth. When you're here, you should check out. His name is Bob. But what flag did you want? There's so many to choose from. You got some Trump flags. You got Don't Tread on Me. You got the Gators.
Okay.
Do you want one of these Army flags? We could put it
On the top.
or out at the house if you get a flagpole. What do you think? That's what you want? All right.